What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's a little late, but it's by the time you see this video, for most of you, it's going to be Sunday. And I know a lot of you don't work on Sundays, but when you're a business owner, sometimes when you're trying to build your business, you don't have a day off. You know, you try to work as many days of the week as you can. And why not? Why not do it while you're still young and able? For some of you, I wouldn't say young. For some of you, I would just say able. You know, because we're all going to get to a point where we're going to slow down. You're never going to be able to produce what you used to produce when you were young, especially if you're not taking care of your house. What I mean by your house, I mean by your vehicle. Your vehicle you use, your body. Your body is a house. Your body is a vehicle. And if you don't respect that and take care of it, guess what, baby? If you ain't have your health, you ain't got nothing. So, I'm going out tomorrow with Patty, and I have a house to do tomorrow. So tune in for that, because I'm going to let you know now. I'm going to let you know now. For some of you who don't know, I have a contest that's coming up, a scavenger hunt. Now, some of you may just brush it off, oh, I've seen them before, but I got to tell you, you're going to want to get in on this. In retrospect, this is all in conjunction and ties into one another. I have a review coming up on a new product. Just hit the market. I'll be reviewing that. And also, they have a special going on. You buy one and you get the second one for a discounted price. I don't know. But I can only see myself using one, because it's not very often I come across this problem. And the best part about it is that it ties into our trade, which is quite lovely, marvelous, simply marvelous. So I saw this, all right? If I thought that this was pretty interesting, I guarantee you, that's right, you who are watching this video will think also that it's pretty interesting. And I'm giving this away free. Free, that's right, you heard it. This is going to be included in the giveaway. And I gotta tell you, you're going to want to get in on this giveaway. This is going to be something that you're going to want to have. I'm going to review it. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see if it does what it says it's going to do. But I got a feeling. I got to tell you, I think this is going to work. This is it. Because it just makes sense. So stay tuned for that. Tomorrow, stay tuned for a video. I'm working with Patty, doing my route work. And then I got a house to do for the first time. Now, this house is the first time, but the customer is not. I do their home. They have another home, but they're selling the home, and they're having it remodeled. So there's a lot of construction dust. So we're going to knock that out and do that. But in the midst of that, between 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I don't even know. I may go further back in my scavenger hunts and pull something out from that era. So that means you have to be an avid watcher to know what I'm talking about as far as the contest is concerned. It could be, hey, It doesn't matter. Either way, if you don't watch, then you can't participate. It's impossible. Now, like I told you before in my previous video, if you've been paying attention and you've been following my videos lately, you'll know that I mentioned some key things that may be able to give you an edge on winning. I'm not going to go repeating them again, but go back in the videos. That's all I got to say, and there's a reason why I'm saying it. If you can't pick up on the hints, then hey, I don't know what to tell you, Jack. But it's important. It's important. You don't know which emoji I'll be picking, so you better know where they are. Subconsciously, consciously, I don't care. But in the back of your mind, you better have an imprint if you've been following me. If not, then that means you got a lot of work to do. There's Patty ringing me now. She's asking me, can I wear shorts tomorrow? Hey, quiet as kept. I'm going to respond, I don't care if you wear a G-string. Just get your ass here. Nah, trust me. It's not what you think. It's nothing to look at. I guarantee you that. It's just more or less a joke. But this is Masters at Wagtail. Yeah, baby. And I'll see you in the next one. Back a frackalacka. Peace, peace, peace.